You could be earning 6 figures a year and still feel broke every single month. And it has almost nothing to do with your salary. It's your habits, the small, invisible decisions you make every day without even noticing them. Today, I'm breaking down 9 money habits that are quietly keeping you poor and exactly how to fix each one. Hey, I'm Ruchhi. Welcome to the channel. Here, we don't just talk about budgeting spreadsheets. We look at the psychology behind why you spend the way you do, because once you understand the why, the what to do about it gets a lot easier. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, lifestyle creep. This is when your spending quietly rises every time your income does. You get a raise, and almost immediately your rent goes up, your car gets nicer, your weekly takeout budget doubles. It feels harmless. You've earned it, right? But this is exactly why so many high earners still live paycheck to paycheck. The raise disappears before it ever gets the chance to build wealth. The fix? Every time your income increases, decide in advance what percentage goes straight to savings or investing before your lifestyle has the chance to catch up. Habit number 2, falling for manufactured urgency. Only 3 left in stock. Sale ends tonight. These aren't accidents. They're psychological triggers designed to shut down your rational brain and speed up a purchase you'd otherwise think twice about. The fix? For any non-essential purchase over a set amount you decide on, give yourself a 48-hour rule. If you still want it in 2 days, buy it. Most of the time, the urgency disappears, and so does the desire. Habit number 3, invisible spending. Tap to pay and one-click checkout removes something economists call the pain of paying. That small mental friction you used to feel handing over cash. Less friction means less awareness, and less awareness means more spending without realizing it. The fix? Do a weekly 10-minute spend check-in. Not a full audit, just enough to keep your spending visible to your brain again. Habit number 4, emotional spending. Stressed, bored, had a rough day. Buying something gives a quick hit of relief, which is exactly the problem. It treats the feeling, not the finances, and the relief never lasts. The fix? Before you buy, name the emotion out loud. I'm buying this because I'm stressed. That single second of awareness is often enough to break the automatic loop. Habit number 5, avoiding your own number, not checking your balance, not opening the statement. It feels easier in the moment, but financial anxiety doesn't go away when you ignore it. It just grows quietly in the background. The fifth, 1 recurring 10-minute money a week, same time, no matter how small the update. Consistency removes the fear fast voice ever will. Habit number 6, comparing your spending to what you see on social media isn't fine. It's showing your edit, but pair is still real. Unreal. Keep up with a verb light is the fifth. Mute or unfollow counts. Not extreme. It's just removing a trigger the same way you'd avoid a vendor you were cutting sugar. Habit number 7, paying only the minimum on debt and calling it a minimum payment designed to keep a balance alive as long as possible. That's how they calculate what feels responsible can act low, most expensive way off. Look up the real payoff time state most show. Then anything extra high balance for. Habit 8, subscribe 1 stream 1 app deliver at a none but stack together. They quiet come one of the large invisible line item most benefit 10 odd 1 cancel and can't remember. Habit number 9, undone all lying on willpower. Whatever's left. There's almost never and power unreliable. Automate a transfer to save or invest the day you get before you see the money check. Pay yourself for automatic every time. Here's the none of these are personality, they're pattern built. Just one of these 9 and fix it this way. That's how real finance happen. Not all at once, but one habit at a time. If this helps your money different. Hit subscribe. New videos on the psychology of money and building real wealth every week. And let me know in the comments which one of these 9 hit closest to home.